Have you ever noticed how some people can actually tell a story in few seconds and still make it unforgettable, while others take 5 minutes and you're already checking your phone? So, what's the difference? So today let's discuss about how to tell a powerful story in just 60 seconds. Not boring, not rushed, but some people actually feel and remember. Why short stories matter. Let's be real, we live in a world of short attention span. If your story takes too long to get interesting, people already gone. But here's the good news, you don't need 10 minutes to tell a great story. You only need 60 seconds if you know what to focus on. Because a great story isn't about length, it's about impact. The three-part formula. Every story has three parts: the hook, the conflict, and the resolution. First thing, the hook. This is where you grab attention. Start with something surprising, emotional, or curious. For example, yesterday I almost quit something that have been working for 3 years. Now people are thinking, what happened? That's your hook. And the second thing, conflict. This is the heart of your story. What went wrong? What challenge did you face? What made it difficult? Don't over explain, just show the struggle clearly. Example, I had worked so hard, but nothing was working. I failed again and again, and yesterday I finally thought maybe I am not just good enough. Now, people are emotionally connected. In this way, you can use your conflict. And the third one, the resolution. This is your ending. What changed? What did you learn? What's the takeaway? Example, but then I realized failure wasn't the problem. Giving up was. So I decided to try one more time. That's it. Short, simple, and powerful. Here's the secret most people miss. Facts don't make story powerful. Feelings do. Instead of saying I was nervous, say like my hands were shaking, I couldn't even look up. See the difference. Make people feel what you felt, and that's what make your story stick to the audience. So these are the common mistakes every people do. So let me quickly share what to avoid. Don't add too many details. Don't explain everything. Don't make it too complicated. And most importantly, don't try to sound perfect. The best stories feel natural, like you're just talking to your friend. That's it. So next time you tell a story, remember, hook them, show the struggle, end with meaning. That's it, just 60 seconds. Because a great story doesn't need more time. It just needs the right moments. And when you tell it right, people just don't hear your story. They will remember it. Thank you.